hurt in a bus accident in New York, whether MTA or private, here's what you need to do to protect your rights. You must make sure that the operator, the driver of the bus, is aware of your accident and is aware of your injury. Sometimes in the excitement of things, the injured person, our client, comes in and says something happened, bus stopped short, driver closed the door on me, driver moved the bus while I was stepping out, something like that. They don't report the accident to the bus driver. And when we contact the MTA or the New York City Transit Authority, they say this is what they call a blind accident, meaning they have no knowledge of it. And as far as they're concerned, the accident never happened. So you have to make sure that the bus driver makes a report. Now, sometimes you don't want to do that because the bus driver doesn't just fill out a report and takes 2 minutes. The bus driver actually has to take the bus out of service, call dispatch. Dispatcher comes, they send another bus. And maybe you feel you don't want to inconvenience the other passengers on the bus, but you will have a much more difficult time with the transit authority trying to pursue a claim where they consider the accident to be a blind accident. So what do? You have to report it to the driver. You want to get the bus driver's name if you can. You certainly want to get the bus driver's badge number. You want to get the number of the bus. I don't mean necessarily just the route number, but every bus has a number. They're usually about 4 digits. You want to do that. And you also want to just try to find out who actually is running the bus line, because there are some different entities within New York that operate the different public buses. Interestingly, one interesting fact on bus accidents is if you own a car or a member of your household owns a car, that vehicle's no-fault insurance will pay your bills, not the bus's insurance company. We have a lot of clients that are skeptical. When we tell them that, they've even checked with other lawyers, but then they come back and say, yeah, you were right. That's just the way the law is in New York. But the key is to be sure that you document that the accident happened and that the bus driver knows that the accident happened. The personal injury lawyers at my firm, Levine and Slavitt, PLLC, have been representing injured New Yorkers. You can reach us at 1-888-LAW-8088 or on the web at newyorkinjuries.com.